Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hello, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Everybody, welcome home. How's everybody doing?
I'm doing fine.
She's scared out of me. It's like, I'm doing fine. Are you really doing fine?
I'm really doing fine.
Okay. So if she's fine, I'm fine.
Good for you.
So welcome home, as we said, everyone. We've had a great day today. A great Sunday. Well, it's time to cook something.
Yep.
What are we doing today?
Sort of a, what do you call Russian salad, but it's not very Russian. It's got avocado, so it's more like an Ecuadorian salad.
I mean, the thing is that here in Spain we call a Russian salad a potato salad. Don't ask me why. I mean, in the rest of the world, a Russian salad doesn't exist, does it?
I don't know.
Okay, do you guys call a potato salad Russian salad? Here in Spain?
Everybody.
Everybody. I mean, if you go to any bar in Spain, you're going to have a Russian salad, which is potato salad.
Yeah.
So, anyway, it's a potato salad with a dressing of avocado.
And salmon.
And salmon on top, yeah. Okay, so, again, easy, fast, healthy.
Yeah, very easy. Let's go. It will take 5 minutes.
She is fast.
Okay,
let's go. Well, the things that we have already boiled, the potatoes, which is what would take some time because you need it to be cooled down and cool off. So that's it. So, okay, let me turn the camera around. Here we go. What do we have today? As a little decoration. Ta-da! My two Oscars. Well, they're not two Oscars. They are two sculptures by the House of Lladró. Okay, it's an amazing company, Spanish company, and they have these funky, ultra modern. They used to have super classical images or figures. Now they have all these funky, and I love them.
They've got a fantastic cactus.
Yes. Okay, so what do we have? What do you need? So for the salad, you need boiled potato, you need salmon, and you're gonna need some capers. For the salad dressing, you're gonna need, of course, olive oil and salt, hard-boiled egg, I know, it's strange, avocado, and a lemon, okay? And then to sizzle a little bit, you're gonna have some, how do you call this? Sesame seed. Black sesame seeds, because you want just the contrast. Okay, so Jefa, boss.
Boss. Okay,
The boss.
Boss.
So
we are going to cut the potatoes.
as we said, we have already boiled the potatoes, okay? So you don't need to, you have to have them boiled and
Cooled.
there.
I'm going to use the big one.
Okay. Well, what you don't see is that behind the camera, what I do is I pass everything down. So,
Okay, so we would use this. You see there's not much potato because I don't want too much potato.
Are we gonna go on a diet? Potato-less diet?
No, in fact, potatoes. I mean, they don't get any fat.
Well, if you fry them.
Yeah, if you fry them, but you've got the air fryer. You've got.
Yeah. Well, ever since we discovered the air fryer, we are the happiest people in the world.
Yeah. Well.
I mean, not that we fry much at home, but the air fryer is helping us to have a little bit more healthy diet in this.
Well, to avoid oil that you don't want to. You don't need, maybe.
Okay, so now the capers. Capers, just chop them. I mean, a little bit small. Not you don't need big chunks, but
I love capers.
Me too. I mean, it's not my favorite pickle thing. What are they?
The capers?
Yeah.
Don't ask me. I have no idea.
This caper. I mean, it's not like baby Brussels sprouts or things like that, no? I don't know.
No, I don't know what they are. I don't know what they are.
It's just the sprouts.
Is there something you go and buy?
Yeah.
Give me some capers. I love them with the rice salad. But
With that?
with rice salad.
Oh. Okay, I don't.
No, we never make rice salad with capers.
Well, excuse me?
Never, ever.
Hello?
No.
Oh, you do.
When you are not eating it.
Well,
I don't know why you don't like rice salad with capers if you eat capers.
because they're too powerful. they just give, I mean, I love in this salad because they bring all the flavor, but I think they're too powerful, and you put it with the rice salad, which is just rice and, I don't know, tomato, things that are very simple. It overruns the rest of the flavors.
Okay, I'll put like two
Tablespoons.
teaspoons. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of capers.
Okay, so we had 2 small potatoes. Okay.
Well, yeah, because it's only for you and me.
Yeah. So, I mean, this salad is just going to be for the 2 of us. Strangely enough, Sunday night and just 2 people in this house. So yeah, we have a little bit of salmon.
Okay, so so you roll. If you roll the salmon, you can cut it in thin
slices. So it's smoked, okay? So it's not raw salmon. So you just
no, you don't want it raw.
Nope.
Well, I don't want it raw. It's up to you. Okay, so let me wash my hands and then we'll start with the.
Well, meanwhile, let me talk to you about our tours. The tours that we're going to be having for 2025. And I'm beginning to think about 2026. So 2025, we have 2 tours. One in the spring, which is going to be from Porto to Santiago de Compostela, following the Camino de Santiago, the Portuguese Camino de Santiago. Again, you don't need to walk if you don't want to, but it's beautiful. You're going to get in contact with nature. You're going to be eating. You're going to be enjoying food and wine.
I'm going to walk.
You're coming?
Yeah.
Hopefully you will. We'll see. Fingers crossed if she can take some days off. And the second tour is going to be in the fall in the Pyrenees. We're going to have a basket staycation. So those are the 2 tours we're going to be doing. For 2026, something special is going to happen in Spain. In Spain, we're going to have all the way up here in the north a total solar eclipse. So I've been talking with some friends. I said, hey, you should do a tour that the day of the eclipse we can be in one of the 100% blackout. So that's gonna be probably 2026. Okay, back to the cooking.
But let's see what.
Let's do the dressing.
Let's do the dressing.
Because the dressing is what I think it makes the whole thing.
It makes the whole thing.
I mean, it's just what does. Okay.
2 eggs.
2 hard-boiled eggs.
This is a bit funky, but it doesn't matter because it's good because it will give the sauce or the dressing soft flavor.
Yeah. So you just have to do a hard-boiled egg, avocado, and that's it. And really, it's very good. I mean,
that's all.
Yes, avocado. It's one of those healthy fats that it's so trendy now. Everybody's you need to have healthy fats and all that. So yes, they do have goodies. So we love.
Yeah, I love avocado. Okay. Fine. Done. And then we need some lemon.
Instead of vinegar, we use lemon. Why do we use lemon? Because the avocado, it oxidates, and the lemon helps not to oxidate. Okay, so that's why we put lemon instead of vinegar. Okay.
Oh.
What happened?
Nothing, just a seed.
Oh, okay, not a big deal.
No, it's not a big deal.
Not a big deal.
I'm just doing it with my hands because this lemon is very ripe, and so I. Hang
on. Oh, excuse me.
Again.
She's going to go wash her hands, and she's leaving me here with the salad dressing by myself. All by myself. Don't wanna be.
Okay, some salt because the avocado doesn't have salt, the eggs don't have salt, potatoes don't have salt.
I mean, we have boiled potatoes with salt, but nonetheless, they require extra salt.
A little bit of, I would say like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't want to, you can skip it. It's up to you.
But it's gonna get creamier if you put a little bit of olive oil.
It's gonna give flavor to, yeah.
Okay, and then we go to the NutriBullet.
The NutriBullet, which was a great discovery.
Yeah.
Noisy, but
sorry for the sound! It's a little bit of water.
Let's use a little bit here.
So yeah, I mean, it always depends on how thick the avocado is, or if it's too thick, if it's not ripe enough, it's gonna be very thick, the sauce. So you need to liquefy it. Ooh, difficult word for me to say. So you just need to liquefy it. What do? You put a little bit of water and then back again into the blender. You don't have, how do you say?
A NutriBullet?
A NutriBullet, yes, a blender. It's
an arm blender.
An arm blender, it's good enough.
And if you don't have anything, just smash everything. I mean,
well, you want it creamy, so.
Yeah, you want it creamy, yeah, but you know, cook it is a question of creativity.
Yeah.
I hate the noise.
I know. I mean, big noise is like too much.
Okay, so we can use it like this.
So let me show how it's thick.
It's thick.
Okay.
But it's going to go with the potato, so it is okay to be thick, right?
Okay.
So
you have the potatoes with the capers.
Bullet out of the way. So we don't need too much because we don't have too much potato. I would say like 3, and I will save the rest. Don't worry. I mean, Lucas will come and eat it.
And that goes perfect on a toast.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see if I need more, and if I need to add some water to this. No, that will do.
I think it's perfect.
So, I mean, this we are going to eat with a, how do you call that? A green salad, so no big deal. So you've got it mixed. Let's use this.
We have here, what about this one?
Yeah, let's use that one.
All right, let me get that out. It's smaller. As you can see, we have this cabinet with all our pots and the whole thing.
Okay, so what do I do?
Serving bowls and... Ooh, so good.
It looks great. Okay, so you put it here. And what we need now is the salmon.
Salmon on top of it.
That's it.
And as you can see, it's a little bit plain in colors. That's why we put the sesame. Okay, the black sesame. So it's a little bit more nice.
It's nicer. And if you want, and I do want, you can use a bit more of
extra lemon juice on top of it to make it sizzle. And of course, we're in Spain. There has to be a little bit of extra olive oil. And that's it.
all.
Let me show you. This is what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Just the two of us.
The two of us.
Strangely enough.
Yeah.
It's so weird that just the two of us are going to be home tonight. Woohoo.
It was okay.
We'll make the best out of it. Anyway. Everybody, we hope you have a great Sunday. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And we shall see you next week.
Yeah, let's see you. Let's meet next Sunday.
Love you.
Take
Adios,
care.
amigos. Have a great week.